Ladies and gentlemen, if you're wondering what Airtable is and how you can make it benefit you, then you're in the right place. I'm going to explain everything that you need to know, and I'm going to answer all your questions. So let's dig in. All right, so let's get into the nitty-gritty. What is Airtable? The big question. So in a nutshell, Airtable is a powerful cloud-based platform that seamlessly blends spreadsheet simplicity with database functionality. This is unlike traditional spreadsheets. It enables highly structured data organization while maintaining an intuitive interface that basically anybody can use without any technical background. The platform synchronizes data in real time across all of your devices, making it more accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. This makes Airtable incredibly versatile for various business needs, from comprehensive project management and customer relationship management to more detailed content planning and even beyond. Here are the main components and their features. It has collections of related tables that can be fully customized for any workflow. Each base functions as a separate workspace that is dedicated to a specific project or a department. You can store diverse data types, including text, numbers, dates, attachments, or even links to other records. The fields can be configured with formulas, validations, or even custom formatting. It has individual entries with tables, which is similar to the rows in a spreadsheet, but with, of course, more functionality. You can record, your records can contain rich context, and it can also maintain relationships with other records. You have multiple ways to visualize that same data as well. So you get a grid view for a spreadsheet-like analysis, a calendar for time-based planning, and Kanban boards for workflow management, as well as a gallery for visual content. The last thing over here is their key applications and benefits. So it does have seamless integrations or seamless collaboration, so your team can actually work simultaneously on the same base with changes reflected in real time. Your permissions can be set, and it can allow precise control over who can actually view or edit specific content. And Airtable adapts to your specific needs rather than forcing you into a rigid system. So you can use it to manage your inventory, plan content calendars, or even track complex projects to create custom CRM solutions. All right, now, ladies and gentlemen, as I always say, make sure that you're using these products and testing them with your own circumstances, your own scenarios, and figuring out which one works best. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.